guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share today's video. It is a DIY flower wall. I have been pretty bored at home like probably most of y'all. And by the way, I hope you guys are doing well, keeping strong and positive while we're going through this crazy time. I ended up snagging some stuff before we went on complete lockdown here in Austin. And actually I got everything at the Dollar Tree. Let me get into everything that I got for this, and I kind of have started like sprawling it out, but you'll need only a few things. I did look at a lot of like different Pinterest links and like ways to do this, and I think this is going to be the best for me, but there's definitely a lot of different ways you can do this. So the things that I got were very minimal actually. I got hot glue sticks, and they have these at the Dollar Tree. I'm reaching behind me because I have the foam board. So I bought, I think 8 or 10 of these foam boards. I don't know how big I'll be able to make the flower wall because I literally bought all the pink and white flowers that they had at the Dollar Tree the day that I was there. And I might have bought like 100 or 8. I don't remember. I bought some other stuff when I was there too, like cleaning stuff. I don't remember exactly how many bushels I got, but I'll try to keep count and let you know below, or at least how many bushels will take to make one of these foam boards. So one of these foam boards is what I decided to use to make the flower wall, and I feel like this one looks warped because it was in my garage for like a week now. It is warped. I don't know. I think it's gonna be fine, but basically it's thicker than a poster board. So it's like a little thicker, and I'll be able to kind of hang it wherever I want. I don't really know where I want to put this flower wall. I really don't have a wall to put it on, but I think it's going to make me happy, and that's why I'm making it. And I thought I would share it with you guys. So I got the hot glue sticks, the cardboard. What I already had that I'm going to use, what I've already had that I didn't need to buy is a hot glue gun. And then these like little wire cutters, just because I think I'm gonna cut the flower. And then I'll span a video of all the flowers that I got. I literally bought all the pink and white flowers. I'm just gonna grab some right here, but my plan is to pull off the flower like so, and then cut off, I'm waiting for my camera to focus. And then snip this part off right here. So I guess I could do this one on camera. Snip off this one. I mean, I guess here I could, yeah. Okay, yeah, you have to snip it off. Because if I bought a different, I have my glasses on, you guys. If I had bought a different foam board, because there's also one that you can get at Lowe's, which I did think about, it's really big, and then I don't know, I decided not to go that route. So if I did, I would be using this and pushing it into the foam board, but because I got these little thinner things, we're going to actually cut all of this off. So then your flower is pretty flat, so when you are hot gluing it to your foam board, it kind of lays flat like so. Okay, anyway. I have a lot of sorting to do, so I think the first thing is sorting the flowers, which I did, as you saw when I spanned across. And then I'm going to kind of lay out how many I think I'll need per foam board, and then I'll start hot gluing. I don't know if I have to have like a pattern. I don't want to like be anal about it. I just want to look cute and pretty, so at the end of the day, it's just really for me. There's no other reason to make this, just because I wanted something to do and I wanted something pretty to look at. So let's get started with the flower wall. I have separated all the flowers and counted them and put them kind of like with bushels right here. So 10 of these, 9 of those, 9 of those, etc. So when I'm building each of the poster boards, I kind of distribute evenly, if that makes sense. I'm really not going to worry about it though. I'm just going to make it look pretty, but that's where I'm at right now. I feel like this is going to take a long time, you guys. This is taking forever. I don't even know how long. I just basically have mapped out one of the boards, and what I did was, like I showed you in the video, I separated the flower and then I clipped the little edge off, and then I left the name of the flowers on there just in case I have to buy more. I don't know, I hope it comes out cute, you guys, but yeah, that's where I'm at. So I figure right here are 21 bushels, so 21 of these I counted, and it looks like that's gonna fit one. I don't want to glue them on there until I figure out this situation and how the other boards are gonna look, and I really probably need more flowers. I'm looking at them, and it takes a lot of flowers for one board, so I might just do like 4 of them. We'll see. Okay, it is the next day. This is a very time-consuming project, but last night I finished one panel, and this is what it looks like. It was kind of dark to film, so today, ooh, shit. It's very delicate. I'm gonna film how to actually put it together, but I love the way it looks. So cute. Okay, let me show you what's going on. I have all the flowers cut and separated in these piles. Don't mind my fireplace. And I'm gonna make another board. All right, I think the formula, which is 12 flowers of each type that I have, which equals around 130-ish, 130 or so. I mean, of course it depends how close you end up gluing them together, because if you see, I can't really see, but I have some bald spots that I'm gonna fill in later with like smaller flowers. You can just fluff them out. But we're gonna go ahead and start gluing this one down so you can kind of see what I do. But basically, I start just placing them, and my husband helps me, which he hates, but kind of taking one flower of each and starting like so. And then just fill the whole board.
Am I in this?
Yeah, you are. Is this looking okay? Oh my God, it is probably, I don't know, it's just focusing like 6 hours later, but I just wanted to share one more tip, and then I'm gonna hang these up so I can edit this video and try to get it up tonight. Is if you see like a little, you're standing over it, if you can see like little bald spots, just like what I've been doing is taking smaller flowers and putting them in there. So, for example, I'll take like 2 of these and put them in there. And I'm exhausted, so I can't like do it one-handed right now. But yeah, I would just like use 2 of these flowers or something right there. So, for example, and you probably want to take off all the glue. Honestly, right now I'm so tired, I don't even care, but I think I did it right here. Oh my God, it was so much glue. Okay, I do care. Yeah, I just need, I think, 1 right there. I could even put like this right there, but it's too crowded. Okay, so me see if I can do this. Okay, I can't do it one-handed, but I'll show you in a minute, or you'll see when I hang it up. It'll be full. Oh, and I probably need one right here. Yeah, I am so tired, you guys. This is like quite the project. This is where, go ahead. Hubby's helping me hang up. Oh. Do you need anything?
Yeah, I have one.
Oh, okay. Scalpel?
No, camera.
Are they just thumbtacks?
Yep. That's actually better. That would not don't hold them.
Okay, so we're just using thumbtacks to hang it. Oh my god, I love it. I think it needs to go a little higher. Yeah. Thumbtacks are much easier. Ooh, there's a little ball spot right here. I might bring the hot glue gun and glue a couple of flowers, but overall, I'm in love, you guys. Oh, I didn't tell you I'm exhausted, but I feel like it took 130 flowers per the whole, like, one thing. So it took about 130 flowers for one whole poster board, but then we had to cut the poster board because obviously the wall isn't that big. Measure first. Decide where you want it first. I started making them and then I didn't know where I wanted to put them because I wanted to put them somewhere else actually, but I think this is going to be beautiful. Every morning I'll wake up to this beautiful flower wall. Okay, and I still have to make 2 more, and I would say it takes about how long to make one? Like an hour? I don't even know. So for the purpose of editing this video by today, hopefully, I'm gonna have to do that later. I am going to bring my hot glue gun. I noticed a couple of bald spots, and then which one wasn't put down? That one. I gotta glue that one.
Let me tack the bottoms.
Okay, and then it should be done. Like I said, I still have to do 1.5 more, which I'm gonna have to do later, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.